Welcome to Red's TV. Everything you see in my garage, or all the stuff I put on, race stickers and all that stuff, I am not sponsored by. No one. Anyway, we're back on the 2000 Dodge Durango. In a couple of my other videos, I think I said 2001 or 2002. Sorry, it is a 2000. I mean, basically kind of the same. But anyway, same process. But today, a while back on my other videos, I put front brakes on and all that good stuff, and after test driving and stuff, the driver's side caliper is actually sticking, smoking a little bit. So we put the new brake lines, all that, because the brake lines are rusted. Basically, we've had a master cylinder put on it, done all kinds of tune-up, the new brake lines, metal lines. I put all the metal lines on before I decided to become a video maker on YouTube, which I've been thinking about for a long time. And if you can tell, there's actually a ground wire off on the starter back there, but I don't know why I didn't put a starter on it. So let's get started here before the rain hits. See how we're going to do this so you can see. If you remember, we're getting rid of the crappy lug nuts too. I put the 18 on this one that the chrome's missing. But all these lug nuts, they've gotten more lug nuts for all this, for all of them. So I already put the passenger side on for the lug nuts. Basically, these things are going in the garbage. And the new lug nuts are 13/16, which I'll show you. Down somewhere. But yeah, actually, that's one of the lug nuts is different, but we want to make sure it's got all the same size lug nuts on it in case it gets a flat on the side of the road for the next change. They've got the old crappy lug nuts. They finally got a recall on them after all these years. And you know how many of these I've had to cut out and burn in my life? Many. So if you don't have an air compressor at home, you'd be using a 4-way. And I don't know if you remember, but I had to beat this wheel off before, previous. Get that out of the way. Now the caliper, I'll be showing you, it comes with a new clip. Let me get my tools over here. So we're going to take this clip off. It pops off like that. Then the back, I got to get a socket for this, or a wrench, whatever. And then I got, I'm going to turn the wheel. I got to get the key and then get a socket for that. Hold on, man. Alright, I already got the wheel turned. Got a drain pan, 7mm Allen head socket, or you can use an Allen wrench. I prefer to use the, here's my ratchet I was looking for the other day. Somebody borrowed and never brought back. Remember, lefty loosey, righty tighty. We'll get all these out. Still got to put back brakes, rear wheel cylinders, and the rubber brake line from the metal line to the rear end. It's already got the other two metal lines on. It's not leaking or nothing, but the metal part's actually really rusted really bad. There's a core charge on this caliper, so the person's going to have to bring it back, but I'm going to actually keep these and not turn them back in, because I might need them one day. Always try to save a little extra parts. You take them back, that way you got them in case something ever happens, or next vehicle or whatever. I got all kinds of junk here I gotta go through. Anyway, we're gonna take this and try to pry it back a little bit without, you can tell that caliper's kind of really tight. And if you remember my other video, I had trouble getting it pressed in. I mean, I forced it in. See how tight it is? It really shouldn't be that tight. Truthfully, pop the pad out. You don't want to set it on nothing really, get all gravelly and rocky. This just pops, slides down like that, out of the clip, like that. So you can tell we put new pads on the other video, and they kind of got heated up and scarred, but they'll be all right. Then we're gonna put this on here, and I don't know if it's a 15 or a 9.6. I guess it's a 15, but the 15 is a little sloppy, and I'm just wondering if it's rusty. Break the brake line loose. See, make sure you hit the fluid. There's the new caliper from O'Reilly's, where the brake line goes in, and actually they did give you a new bolt to put in there, which I think, like I said, always use the old copper washers, because the old copper washers seat better than the new copper washers. So we're going to use the new bolt. Actually, I guess I could put the new copper washers on there and see what happens. I'm going to keep the bolt and copper washers. Maybe we're going to get a measurement. Get the copper washer off here. Let it come off the caliper. There it goes. I'm going to try to hurry to get this back on the new caliper so I don't lose all the brake fluid. Now this caliper, you want to drain it because you got to turn it back into the core. Let it drain, get all the fluid out of there. And we're going to put the new pads. Actually, you want to make sure that this is clean and free of dirt right here. Remember, we already cleaned it once. And we're going to take some Never Seeds. Actually, you can use white lithium grease or whatever, but Never Seeds actually lasts a lot longer. Put it on here so the brake pads can actually slide. Now, truthfully, you replace one caliper, be sure you replace the other caliper, but we're just trying to help the people get down the road here. I'll put that on there. You always want to put something on here. If you can look, it's actually grooved on there from where the brake shoes the road. But see, you can spin the wheel now before that other caliper on it. You can't even spin it with a pry bar. So we're going to take the pad. Actually, we're going to put this inner pad in first. And the caliper, like that. Take the outer pad. Get it snapped in there. Make sure it's the little tit things are sitting in the holes. That way you don't get it behind. Make sure it's flush. The caliper should be already back. The caliper's going to slide right on. Look how easy that slides on compared to the other video where I was fighting that thing. I mean, it did come. Well, we're going to do the brake line. We're going to do this first. Put a little Never Seeds on the threads. Put copper washers on. So it's already out the new brake line. Another video. Yeah, that was on grass. We had the third blade usually done. Anyway. tighten that up with 15mm wrench. We'll do a final tighten. Like I said, I'm gonna save this and the bolts to hold the caliper on. They come with new ones. They're already pre-greased. I took them out and put never sees on them. That way it helps them slide, and the bolts going in here. Get that in there. Get that in there. Righty-tighty. Yeah, it's much way better this caliper go on than sitting there and you gotta make sure it gets into the bolt hole. Don't cross thread it. I got that one started. Sorry where it goes. Go down a little bit. Thing started. Now we're gonna have to give it a little love tap, get it down. There it goes. Dang. Yeah. Alright, you want to get it snug. That one won't start either. It should start. Get that tightened up. Wipe the old hands off. And it did come with a new clip. When you buy the brake shoes, they don't come with a new clip, which they might sell sets that do, I don't know. But get the clip on. You gotta get it into the hole first. We get a little hammer. Tap it in like so. Get it started. Then you gotta take the screwdriver, plop it in. Get that down in the hole. Get it started in the hole. Get it. And clip. Then yeah, well, I'll say. It's easier to get the bottom in. That was fun. Yeah, maybe the caliper comes forward a little bit, like a little better. Get it on there. Oh well, works fine. Pump that back brake. Just pump it up. And make sure this is all the way tight. Alright. Yeah, that helped out a lot, thank you. get that in the hole at the same time. That way that stays on there. Level clip. Let's try the bottom again. Looks fine. Get a tap in there. And get that in there. Yeah. I don't get this. Oh, okay. Almost had it. Sure enough. You can tell these clips are really fun when they're new. Oh, crap. Oh, boy. A simple job turns into a nightmare. Oh, that's great. Well, you put the old clip back on there. Man, this is bull crap. Get in there. There we go, finally. You gotta make sure this clip's in there. Yeah, it's a little trick. You don't want them to pop off on you. It's really a stupid setup. I mean, I don't know why. I'm sure a lot of these clips pop off going down the road. But you can tell it's in there. Basically, all that stupid clip does is right back and forth. So anyway, I know there's fluid in there. I guess it's a 3/8. I got a 10mm. Hold on, you back. All right, pump it up. Y'all should have made a video yesterday of that, of her and her whole family here. It's been hilarious. Some of the stuff I do behind the scenes here. But yeah, it'd have been hilarious.
Go ahead, man.
I mean, hilarious. All right, hold it.
I'm holding.
Hear the air come out. Pop it up. Turn the wheel straight so it don't shoot all over me. No, straight. Turn it left, 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 left. All right, pump it up. I just don't want to brake fluid shoot all over me.
Go ahead.
Keep holding. Pump it up. Yeah, that'd have been funny. I guess she's coming back Tuesday.
Go ahead.
Pump it up again. Got nice clean fluid. All right, hold it. That's good. Like I said, we got a finish completing all of the brakes totally, completely 100% anyhow. And do the back wheel cylinders, and got to still put the rubber line on the back.
What on this or whatever Connie?
No, this one. No, Connie needs a rear wheel bearing. I mean, but I don't know. I don't know. Put the wheel on here. And like I said, we got new lug nuts. And these ones are actually 13, 16. And they're already never sees them. I got hours and hours of taking lug nuts off this, heating and beating and pry bars. If you ever put them on there, I think Firestone or somebody who ever put them tires on there and put the front brakes on there, they hammered it down. Sit there and hammer down stuff. Then it's got the crappy lug nuts on it that fall apart. See them? The ones with the chrome caps. They finally got a recall on, and they've been doing it for how long? Since like, I know, the beginning of the 80s. I'm gonna tighten this wheel up. Righty tighty. This belly. There it is. You want to be on TV, Mr. Cougar? You don't want to be on TV? How about put some of your cougars on TV? Mr. Cougar owns a bunch of cougars. We'll show you one day. Anyway, thanks for watching Red TV. Please like and subscribe to my channel. You'll see more. Thanks for watching. Gotta clean up all my mess and be done.